We're training at Power South down in Andalusia, Alabama this week, and they suggested we camp over at a site here close to the cutting site that we have, and I'm really amazed. Beautiful place. If you want to come camp in southern Alabama, this would be a beautiful spot to do it. Nice lake here. It also is adjacent to a larger waterway, so they say there's some pretty good crappie fishing, and I imagine some pretty good bass fishing in here too. But it's neat little campground. I call it Point A Camp, and there's a recreation area you can go to, and then also here at the campground. But you can see here the site is absolutely amazing. It's a beautiful spot. But it's sun just coming down. This is day one. Had the inside classroom, and tomorrow, well, we went out to the cutting site this afternoon. I felled one tree, but we've got a pine plantation area. We're going to be crisscrossing some things for storm damage, and then they have set up a pretty nice pole and line set up to do some on the line training. So we've got this one set, I think, enough strength to be able to fell some trees onto it, and so it's going to be kind of realistic, I think, for storm damage on power lines. And that's what these guys do. There's linemen and right-of-way crew, and also some of their maintenance guys who are responsible for putting in roads or clearing roads so the guys could get into areas after the storm. But beautiful spot here at Point A, and so we're very pleased to be here this week. And we will be here for the next couple weeks. I'll probably be traveling back and forth to home Friday, Saturday, and then head back down Sunday. But we've got a nice place to work here. Great group of guys today. Looking forward to the other groups also.